Alright, new barrel because my old one froze and cracked. My bad. New pump, the Echo 1056, because it's 9 feet to the top. So this one's a lot better at it. Doesn't lock up at all. The last one would lock up sometimes. You had to suck on it to get it going again. 12-gallon wash, Gerber barley. About 50 minutes into warm up, 5-0. Got the jars ready. 12-gallon wash of Gerber at, I think, about 11%, 12%. And no fog yet on the glass. I never put a temp thermometer in, so it's I just run it off the glass. I like to think I'm getting better at it. It tastes better than me. Anyways, get the flames up a little high. It's about 20 degrees out right now here. My garage is not insulated. It's just straight board to the outside. And the temperature's dropping fast. It's supposed to go down to about 8 degrees. And we're supposed to get about a foot of snow starting around 4 p.m. So that's where we're at. 50 minutes in the warm-up. Zero action on the sight glass. I got nothing. Hopefully soon. The valve's closed. And that's it. Back, check in a few when it gets going.